If you've ever thought, I'd love a garden, but I don't have the space, the time, or honestly, any idea where to even start, well, you're in the right place. Because here's the truth, anyone can garden. Yes, even you. I'm Diana, and I'm gardening here in Arizona Zone 9B, and my mission is simple. I want to help beginners grow food, even if you feel limited by space, money, or a busy life. Here, you're going to learn how to start small, grow smart, and build confidence, one step at a time. Simple, practical, beginner-friendly tips. From containers and pots to our raised bed setups. What to plant first to beating pests. And to getting real harvests, even here in the desert. You don't have to know everything, you just need to start. And I'm gonna walk with you every step of the way. So subscribe, join our garden family, and let's grow something amazing together.